Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Renee here, where I transform, create, DIY and decorate. In today's video I will share with you some ways that you can do to make your home smell good. Now these are some tips. Some of them you might know of already, but some of them you will kind of be a bit surprised that people are not using these methods. So let's get right into the first method. The first method in making your home smell good is just by opening your windows. Opening your windows give you that nice fresh air. It helps to reduce those musty smell or those stale food that linger inside your home. So I have friends that really don't open their window because they're afraid of lizard, they're afraid of bugs, they're afraid of any type of insect, so they don't really open their windows. So guess what? The first step in making your home smell good is opening your window. It helps to get rid of those musty smell, those stale foods lingering, and just helps make the place feel fresh and nice. This will lead me into the next tip that you might do but not very often. Cleaning the refrigerator is something that you might not do very often, and you will not notice that it helps to make the space smell bad. You ever open your refrigerator and get that musty smell like something spoiled? Get rid of those expired sauces that you have in there. Get rid of those stale food that you have from last week or the week before in that refrigerator. Open a box of baking soda and leave it in there once you clean that refrigerator. Once you clean your refrigerator and you open it, that fresh smell will come out instead of those bad stale food scent when you open the refrigerator. So that is one way you can start in making your home smell good. This will lead me into the next way, and it's simple by using your diffuser. You hear me talk about diffuser so many times. Just by simple adding your water and your favorite essential oil, a few drops of your favorite essential oil can make your space smell good for a long time. My favorite essential oils to use are like the lavender, the lemon, the tangerine, peppermint, tea tree. You can choose any essential oil that you love. So that is one way as well that you can use in making your home smell good. A next simple way that you might never thought of making your home smell good is by using dryer sheets. I use dryer sheets in my drawers, I use it in the closet, I use it on the sofa. You can use it to wipe your sofa, you can use it to wipe your cushion. Those dryer sheets help to make the space smell fresh. Dryer sheets have these nice smelling scent that when you use them in your dryer and you open it, yes, it makes the clothes smell nice, and it's also spread out into your room. But you can also use it on other furniture. You can rub it on your curtains and those stuff. So dryer sheets are pretty good in making your space smell good. If you're a pet lover, you can also make your space smell good by creating your own deodorizer for the pet litter. So just by simple getting some water, add a 2 tablespoons of baking soda in it and 2 drops of your favorite essential oil, you can use that to spray on the litter as well and the areas where the kitten is. You can also spray it on like carpet, you can spray it on curtains. That helps make the space smell good. So essential oil is really a great thing. Baking soda, you realize those stuff keep coming up. Those items are used in making your space smell fresh and nice. This will lead me into the next item, and you might never really thought of it, is using the Downy Unstoppables. You not only can use them in your washing, but what you can do also is get a spray bottle with some warm water, add those Unstoppables in it, shake it until it's dissolved, and you can create your own air freshener with it. Spray it on your curtains, spray it around the area, and that will make your space smell good as well. And you know as well, I cannot forget or leave out candle. I love candles. Any form of candle. You can get cinnamon candle, chocolate candle, strawberry. You have different brands and different flavor candles as well. You can choose whichever you love. Candles create a nice aroma and scent in the home. It gives you a relaxed feeling. So use candles as well. These helps to make the space smell good. Also, you can create your own ingredients in making a space smell good by just getting a pot of water, put it to boil. You can add your lemon, you can add a little cinnamon, you can add clove, put a little tip of vanilla in it. So all those stuffs will boil and give the space a nice smelling scent. All those will make the space smell good. So these are just a few ways that I share with you in making your space smell good. I hope you find them useful, and you can also share in the comment below what you use to make your space smell good. Please remember to like, share and subscribe so that you get notified when I upload similar videos like these, and also comment below what type of videos you would love to see from me as well. Thank you again for watching. See you on the next video.